5-ingredient spaghetti with Parmesan. Ingredients: spaghetti, 100 to 150 grams, mushrooms, 5 to 6 sliced, cream about 1/2 teacup or 50 to 75 milliliters, salt to taste, olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Optional, grated Parmesan for topping. Instructions: boil the spaghetti. Add salt to boiling water and cook the spaghetti until tender. Sauté the mushrooms. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add the mushrooms and cook until soft. Add the cream. Pour in the cream and let it simmer for a few minutes with the mushrooms. Combine with pasta. Add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce. Mix well and let it come together. Serve. Top with freshly grated Parmesan. Done. Like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.